Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a stylus pen like this one or like this one. Well, this one basically I don't use as a stylus pen anymore because I've been using this as a blending tool for my sketches. So I'll keep this aside. Here is a stylus pen, as you can see from it. This pen can be used for Android phones, tablets and even touchscreen devices. So today I'm going to show you how to make a stylus pen like this of your own. So here are the things that you need to make a stylus pen. First of all, let me grab some pens here. Here are some pens. As you can see, I have different pens here. So this one, why I choose this one is because it has a hole through which we can draw the wire like this. Wait a second. Like this one, so you can see the hole. So we can draw the wire through this hole. That's why I chose this one. So here are some of the pens. Here is one. You can use this one as well. These are the cheapest pens that you can get from any stationery shop around you. So I'm choosing this one because this doesn't have a hole, and most of you would have the pens with you that wouldn't have a hole. So let's make this one as our stylus pen. Let me tell you what are the things do we need to make our own working stylus pen. So first of all, we'll need a pen, and I've chosen this one. The other things that we need are a wire like this one here, or I have some other wires like this one, or like this one. One more thing you need is some cotton. So here is some cotton. And the last thing you need is a tape. I'm using a microporous tape here, so you can use any tape. So let's start making our own stylus pen. So first of all, we'll remove the old refill. And we'll cut the wire to almost 10 centimeters. Here, this is the wire. I have already cut some 10 centimeters. You can cut according to whatever you like, according to how much you require. So the next thing you are going to do is put this wire through this hole. Not most of it, but some of it. And then you are going to bend it like this. So here, it's bent now. You need to draw this through here. Like this. It should be perfectly fitting it like this. And at the end, what you will do is you'll just tape it here. Why I'm asking you to tape it here is because this thing can hurt you if you left it untaped. To grab the tape, I'm going to cut a small piece like this one. A strip. Yeah, this one would be fine. So this much should be fine. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste it here at the end. So make sure that the wire is straight enough and cover this part twice. The pen should look like this. And we'll take another small strip of the tape. We'll take the same size. And this one we are going to paste here Like this one we are going to paste at the tip like this. So the stylus is almost ready. Now we just need to fix the cotton in it. So we'll take a small amount of cotton. This much would be fine. We'll just roll it and make it into a tip for the stylus pen. And we'll just stuff it in here like this. If you think that you need more cotton, you can use more cotton on it. So we'll stick some tape in order for the cotton not to come out. And there we go, our stylus pen is ready. And yeah, the cap also fits pretty well. Here the stylus pen would look like this. And now let's test it. So guys, for the stylus pen to work smoothly, just dip the tip of the stylus pen in water for perfect results.